2023 Chevrolet 1500 ZR2 LT3 Technology Pack Bison Edition. Hi, with 7,000 miles. Hi, everyone. My name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com, and I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, unedited, off-the-cuff vehicle video. What you see is what you get vehicle video. See, I told you that I edited. Super nice truck, 7,000 miles. If you're not familiar with the Bison Edition, it takes a ZR2, which is Chevy's off-roader, and kicks it up a notch. Extra protection, different suspension, different bumpers, some different interior treatments. It's about a $9,000 package, brand new. Again, 7,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, bumper-to-bumper warranty from factory, independently inspected. Got the balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That is AutoramaAuto.com. And when you're pre-approved, you can be in and out of our office under 20 minutes. That's right, under 20 minutes. I'm serious. We're not like the big dealers. We're not going to play games. We're going to have you in and out when you're pre-approved. Of course, you can take as much time as you need, but if you don't want to waste all day, well, you're not going to. Let's check her out inside here. Got the rock rails, ZR2, heated, cooled seats. Love that combination. American Expedition vehicles. If you're a Jeep guy, you're probably familiar with that. Got this sunroof, the revised interior, big screen, factory navigation, remote start, steering wheel paddles. All the good stuff. Back seat looks like it's never been sat in. Heck, the front seat looks like it's never been sat in. Tires are deep as they should be. Factory liner. Got the 110 plug. Got the fancy cameras up there. Got the AEV steel bumpers. Got the tailgate, that multi-function tailgate that folds up and down in the middle. You name it. This truck's got it. This is with the Bison package. This is probably the most expensive half-ton you can buy from Chevrolet, I'm thinking. Let's talk about price. Well, A, you're not going to find a whole lot of these. You're just not. This Bison package is rare. The ZR2s, there's not a lot of them out there. But let's talk about price. I know you're going to see some that are advertised for less. They probably don't have the Bison package. If they do, here's what's going on. Lots of dealers are advertising their vehicles at or below cost just to get you in the door, and then they hit you with surprise fees. We don't have the surprise fees. We have what you see. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. The price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. We do not have hidden fees. We don't play those games. We're fast. We do have fast financing. We do fast paperwork. We get right to the point. We do not do that. We do have a $145 doc fee. That is not hidden. Corey, our finance guy, give them a free doc fee if they show you this video. That's right. If you show the video, you get a free doc fee. So let's recap. 2023 Chevrolet 1500 Crew Cab, 5.5 foot box, 4x4, ZR2, LT3, Technology Pack, Bison Edition, 7,000 miles, factory warranty, third-party inspected. Price you see is the price you pay, drive it away, no hidden fees, fast paperwork. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.